this is Cynthia from Mamibot Manufacturing Corporation Limited. We mainly specialize in robot vacuum cleaner, window cleaning robot, matrix dust mite vacuum, and electric mop over there. We will exhibit a range of our new smart cleaning items in IFA Global Market. Welcome to our booth. Thank you.
Hey, I'm Vincent from Jiangsu TX Plastic Optical Fibers Corporation Limited. We are a market leading company which specializes in manufacturing many kinds of cables, connectors, and adapters. Our products chain are HDMI, instrument and serial cables, RCA, and also we provide the light solution and custom solutions.
Hi, this is GK Technology Company from Shenzhen, China. Nice to see you guys at IFA show again. This time we'll show you very special patent products. Cup-shaped charger and 180 degrees rotate USB charger for IQOS electronic cigarette. It can full charge within 5 minutes, and as long as it have USB port, it can charge anywhere. The most important is the cup-shaped charger. Also is ashtray and storage box too. Very practical charger for user. Welcome to contact us and visit our factory.